Spring is here. Are your trees ready? Hi, this is Noel at All About Trees. Spring is a great time for doing routine maintenance on your trees. We're spending a lot of time removing dead and broken limbs and pruning to improve the structure of young trees. This time of year is also a busy time for raising the canopy on low-hanging branches and thinning out the canopy to allow more filtered light down to your lawn. All of these tree care strategies are important for maintaining your tree's health, safety, and the appearance of your trees in the landscaping. At All About Trees, our 10 certified arborists take a surgical approach to tree pruning, being thoughtful of the wounds that pruning creates and only removing what is necessary to achieve your pruning goals. We will never use climbing spikes on a tree we're pruning, and we'll always let you know if it's time to remove a tree that's in bad condition or in the wrong place. Find us at allabouttrees.com and let us show you how we love caring for Springfield's urban forest, one tree at a time.